Oh yes, hello wonderful viewers. As always, it's me, your Bonathan Matov here at KISA Projects. KISA Projects is a home for entrepreneurs where no one can be too young to own a company. We are located in Komamboga, Okumukaga, along Gayaza Road. Today I'm here to educate you practically about how to manufacture high-end quality commercial soap. I'm going to be doing this practically. However, for those who want to enroll into our trainings, we charge 658,000 Ugandan shillings for a commercial class, and the training will last for 3 days. The training package will include both theory and application, product standardization, quality control and assurance, raw material acquisition, branding and packaging, pricing and costing, and practicals, which are mandatory. We charge 658,000 Ugandan shillings for a commercial class and lasts for 3 days. However, for those who are interested into our ordinary training, or what we call the knowledge-based training for laundry bar soap production, we charge 250,000 Ugandan shillings, and that class will last for just 1 day. And we shall spend only 4 hours when we are training you. We also have what we call the KPAD kit. We advise all those who want to enroll into soap production for a commercial benefits, either to go for our commercial class or to come and purchase our KPAD soap production kit. The KPAD soap production kit got at 5 Ghana shillings 3 million. With this kit, we give you free training, and shall give you a commercial class that will last for 3 days. And we give you all the necessary tools and devices needed for you to start soap production at full throttle. The only exception will be the cartons, or the only thing that we shall not give you as part of the kit will be the boxes. But still, if you want to buy the boxes, we have them readily available here at KISA Projects, and our minimum order quantity is 50 cartons or 50 boxes at 5 Ghana shillings 100,000. So you can come and either purchase our KPAD soap production kit and start immediately, or you can enroll for our commercial class or for our 1-day ordinary knowledge-based soap production class. I'm going to enlighten you practically how soap is being manufactured from scratch. Remember, the process for manufacturing soap is called saponification. And saponification simply refers to the hydrolysis of a triglyceride. When I say hydrolysis, I'm meaning the chemical breakdown of a compound due to reaction with water. So this is how saponification is being carried out, or this is how saponification transforms the triglycerides into a complete salt of fatty acids. Now, with saponification, a fat or oil molecule is being broken down into its core components when we are using a strong base. Now, those core components, one is a glycerol molecule and the other are the free fatty acid molecules, and these are the saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fatty acid molecules. Now, it is those fatty acid molecules that contribute to the 5 properties of a good bar of soap, which are hardiness, cleansing, conditioning, bubbly lather, and creamy lather. Hardiness defines the firmness of a soap bar. In this, a good bar of soap should be strong, mild, and durable. Then cleansing is the ability of the soap to remove oily materials or greasy substances from the areas of application. Bubbly measures the cleansing power of the soap lather, and creamy lather helps stabilize the nature of the soap lather. Then lastly, conditioning refers to the amount of moisture left on the skin after rinsing. So as we are going to be doing our practical session, our targets are going to be standing on those 3 properties of a good bar of soap, which are hardiness, cleansing, conditioning, bubbly lather, and creamy lather. However, in this tutorial, I want to do less of the talk and I do more of the practical work. But before we start, always caution first. Since with soap production we deal with a strong base, which is a strong alkaline solution, it means that we must have to protect ourselves during the production process. So I want to take you through the gadgets or tools or devices that I'm going to use to manufacture our 20 bars of soap right from scratch. Then eventually we are going to kickstart practically. Remember, for today's tutorial, less of the talk and more of the practical session. Are you ready? Let's get started. For those who want to talk to us, our contacts are +256 752 492194 or +256 779 593452 or +256 702 756 All our numbers are available on WhatsApp. You can as well hire us and we come train you from your home. However, special orders attract higher rates. Enough of a talk. Let us have it being done just practically. To begin with, we have our gadgets or tools assembled here. For instance, these are the protective wears. This is the industrial gas mask. It covers the nose and the mouth. We have the these are called gloves, safety gloves. We have a strainer. Then I have our mixer, professional electric mixer. These are parts of the professional electric mixer. For instance, this is an auxiliary handle. This is the mixing disc. This is the mixing load, and this is the main part of the machine. We have a twaddle hydrometer, and this one will be used to measure the specific gravity of the strong alkaline solution. Then here I have a scraper. It will help to rub off any remaining residue of the soap we have manufactured to be poured into the already prepared soap mold. Okay, let us begin by wearing the safety wears. Now, these are our safety wears. I'm going to put them on and we get started. I want to be more practical in this tutorial, and I want us to be doing this together with you step by step. However, we are not training you how to manufacture soap. We are just highlighting you on the steps taken when manufacturing high-end commercial quality soap. For training, you have to come here for real practical classes. Or you hire us and we come train you from your home. Okay. Now, I'll start by putting on this industrial mask. This one covers my nose and my mouth. So if it feels big on your face, you can adjust it from here, like that, so that it can fit you well. So now I've safely protected my mouth and my nose. So the next part, we are going to protect our eyes. And now here, we have our industrial goggles. This one will protect our eyes. Put them just like this. So lastly, we are going to put on our safety gloves. So this is how you should be before you embark onto production. I repeat, this is how you should be dressed before you embark onto production. Even for mass production, you can go further and put on an overcoat or an overall, a commercial production safety overall, and even safety shoes. But since for me I'm going to manufacture just 20 kilograms of soap for this tutorial, I can even do it when I am just protecting like the way I am right now. But I'll go further still and put on safety shoes. Now, since we are well dressed for production, let's get practically started.